So I raised the hood of my 2000 Silverado and noticed that my hood light wasn't working. Watched a couple videos on YouTube and they didn't go deep enough in solving the problem for my particular light, so I went a little bit deeper on it. When you disassemble it, you see this cam that rides inside the groove that's down in the bottom where it's going to make contact here. So you put your point down into the bottom, and now it will rotate back and forth inside that groove on the bottom. The piece that fits on top, when it rotates, when the hood is open and closed, will make contact and break contact. The contact is actually made up here, these two contacts here. So when it rotates forward, it makes contact on the bottom of your little contact plate here. And it just rides on that cam, goes back and forth, and these points will make the contact on that. So the videos that I'd seen talked about cleaning these contact points down in here, which is good. That way they may get corroded to where they're not able to make contact to complete the circuit to get your voltage down in there. I tried that and I still wasn't getting it, and I noticed that on my little contact plate here that it wasn't, that there was it was just kind of sitting there. If you look, there's spring on in this end, and also on this end down here inside there. This little brass piece will come up, take it off of there. I'm not going to take it apart again. But so what I did was I took the contact plate off, and the springs that were inside there, I stretched them just a little bit. It's easy to stretch them too much. They're very light springs. If you stretch them too much, you won't be able to use it. You'll destroy it. So I just stretched them just enough to where I've got a little bit of pressure, a little extra pressure here. So what was going on was there wasn't enough pressure made because it didn't have that little extra spring pressure in there. So by stretching those springs out just a little bit, I got more pressure, and I could put a meter on here now and show you that I have continuity when it goes to that end, and I lose it on this end, which again on this plate that goes on top here, you see those little ridges, those little ramps down there, and those ramps will also apply pressure to the plastic piece here. Pressure on both ends as it rotates back and forth. So that was the solution that worked for me. I hope it works for you. Good luck.